Andrew didn't know that girls went like this when they like to take pictures.
Sarah, want to tell us where we are?
Just like Blue Mountains parking lot.
That's where we are. We're in the Blue Mountains for the day with our traveling friends. Wave to the cam. Adam and Leah.
Hi, vlog.
Woo! Three sisters.
That'll be.
Alright, oh, I'm dark. I'm gonna have to walk backwards. Alright, so our Three Sisters plan didn't work out. We talked to our friend who helped us because she works here at the Three Sisters.
Okay. This is where you park your car. This is where the Grand Canyon circuit starts from.
She's not a friend. Sarah wasn't a fan.
Okay. I think the Grand Canyon is one of the most beautiful walks.
Okay, perfect. And
The walk is $3, so that's where I would suggest.
And how about the waterfalls? Like we've seen a couple of the waterfalls.
Well, I've just sent you. There's a whole lot of waterfalls in this area. Yeah, that's it. You've got the Grand Canyon, so the Grand Canyon is full of waterfalls. It's a canyon.
But we're gonna check out the Grand Canyon.
Oh my gosh!
I've never been to a Grand Canyon, so we're hoping that it's pretty cool. Might walk into some people.
Stop growing teeth. Like me stop growing when I stop growing.
Oh, okay.
Between 5'7" and 5'8". There's a T-Rex. There's a T-Rex.
A velociraptor.
There's a velociraptor.
Prehistoric trees and rocks and such. Let's have a look. Yep, pretty prehistoric. What else do you see? Maybe a pterodactyl? Yeah. Oh my gosh, right there.
We are descending into the canyon.
Are you okay, Sarah?
Yeah, what if I stand over here? Okay.
Sarah, turn around and look down.
No. No, it's everywhere.
What's everywhere, Sarah?
Like the ground. I hate this. Okay. What do we do? What do we want?
You're so high up, Sarah.
Adam, you're not. Adam, you're actually the worst. Okay.
Don't sneeze.
Okay, what are we doing? I'm just gonna look forward.
Come on, Sarah, you do it.
I'm just looking out. Oh, Adam, nice tree pose. It's not even high. Oh wait, there's the valley, death and ashes. Right there.
This thing is huge. That's where we came from. This is where we are. Found the waterfall. There's a really eerie noise since we passed through that door. I don't know if it's wind or a waterfall or a velociraptor or aliens. You approve? Monkey trick approved?
Monkey trick approved. Beaver fever approved.
Going in for seconds.
Oh wow. Yep. I can hear it. Here.
We are now rehydrated and ready to find the big waterfall. If it exists. We're not quite sure it's real. I hate caves!
You hate caves?
Oh man. You go first.
Whoa.
Stopped dead in my tracks because of this cave.
Oh my gosh.
You okay, Andrew?
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Oh, it's real short.
Is it?
Freaked me out. Oh. And out through the door. The way out. Looks like we've about summited. Every descent ends with a summit.
That's a lie.
The summit.
Water!
Ooh.
Tap is gone.
No.
No!
So, no waterfalls.
If you don't like going upstairs, don't do it.
There were no waterfalls.
I want to go back to her and be like, that was rude of you.
That lady.
There's a whole lot of waterfalls in this area, yeah, that's it.
We made it back to the car.